In this video I'm going to show you how to use clubs to unlock Gamefroot educational content and manage your students, which is great if you're a teacher or group organizer. So first you'll need to go into Gamefroot and click this upgrade button in the menu bar, and then you want to pick either Edu or Edu Pro, and then hit buy now, and then fill out your payment details in here. Then once you've done that, you're going to want to refresh the page and then log out and log back in. You can do that by clicking on your profile icon in the top right. Now once you've logged back in, you can see clubs up here in the top bar. You can click on clubs and create a club and see the clubs that you're a part of or that you own. And you'll also be able to see educational content by clicking on the tutorial sidebar. And there we go, Game Dev Club will now be unlocked for you, and you can go through and have a look at the content that we've got in here. To create a club, click on Clubs and then click Create Club and enter in these details and then click Create Club. And once you've made your club, you can see your club and its details here, and you can share this invite link with your students. When you send them this link and they click on it, they'll automatically be added to your club. Any account that doesn't have the Edu or Pro Edu subscriptions or hasn't been invited to a club will be able to see a preview of the Game Dev Club content in the tutorial sidebar, but they won't be able to go and use it. It will be restricted. So with my test student account, I am logged in. That's important. They need to be logged in first. Then they can browse to that link. If I go and grab that invite link, and by browsing to that invite link, they've now been added to the group. They'll see this message, congratulations, you've been invited. And they can now, in Gamefroot, click on Tutorials and click on Game Dev Club and see the content. They may need to refresh their browser and log out and log back in to update their status. So if they log out and log back in, they can click on Tutorials and then access Game Dev Club educational content. As a club manager with the account that has upgraded to Edu, you can see inside your clubs. When you go to clubs, you can see my clubs, and you can see all the students that are members, all their names there. You can see the games that they've published, and you can remix those games, which is really handy if you want to see the work that they've done and how they've made their scripts, that kind of thing. So that is how to unlock Gamefroot educational content and manage your students with Gamefroot Clubs.